I interviewed with this law firm as a law clerk back in 1991 while I was in law school, and got hired, stayed on as a law clerk, and I've been here for 20 years now, going on 21, 22 years. So it's the only law firm I've worked at. It's the only one I intend on ever working at. And the people, the attorneys, have been wonderful. They're very skilled, knowledgeable. They're very good attorneys, and I've learned from the best. Well, I've always said that reputations are not given to anyone, they're earned. And this law firm and the attorneys in this law firm have been around for over 50 years, starting with Ron Meshbesher. And between past successes and results, between our reputation and between the fact, and also including the fact that we will go and try cases if we need to, I think that adds significant value to cases, and insurance adjusters recognize that and they pay fair value rather than taking the risk of going to court. Well, I think the one thing that distinguishes us is that when someone calls our law firm, in all likelihood they're going to speak with a partner. 90% of the lawyers in this law firm are partners who have been practicing for decades. They're not going to call and speak to a professional phone person. They're not going to speak to people that aren't familiar with the laws in Minnesota and personal injury recovery. They're going to speak to a lawyer. Just helping people who have been injured. They're going to be in a very difficult situation, out of work, unable to support their families, in a lot of pain, and not knowing what they can do or what the future will hold. And so being a personal injury attorney allows me to try and bring some comfort to those individuals and to try and help them out, get them back on the path that they would like to see themselves going, and assist them in being able to make the maximum recovery that they're allowed to make at law, including for their lost wages, their medical bills, their pain and suffering, and really make a difference in their lives.